Today we're diving into the Weofly Conquer 2 smartwatch. It looks sleek right out of the box, but what really stands out is how well it balances style, performance, and features for both workouts and everyday wear. You also get built-in GPS for accurate outdoor tracking, and with its 3 ATM water resistance, it can easily handle swims, rain, or daily splashes. In the box, you will get the Weofly Conquer 2 itself, a liquid silicone strap, a breathable nylon woven strap, a charging cable, a user manual, and a quick connection guide. You're ready to go right away, whether that's hitting the gym or just wearing it day to day. The Conquer 2 has a sleek, sporty body made from stainless steel, giving it durability without feeling bulky or cheap. Up front, there's a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 466 by 466 resolution, 1000 nits brightness, and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. It's protected by double hardness Asahi glass and supports always-on mode, so the screen stays easy to read even under bright sunlight. The Conquer 2 is rated at 3 ATM, which means it can handle water pressure up to 30 meters deep. Perfect for swimming, rainy day runs, or just everyday splashes. I've personally tested it while swimming, and it's still working flawlessly. Thanks to the high hardness glass, it's also tough enough to handle daily knocks and bumps without worry. This watch packs a 520 mAh battery, which is pretty solid. On normal use, you can expect up to 10 days of life. If you are pushing it harder, you'll still get around 5 to 7 days. With GPS running non-stop, it can last about 20 hours. But in my own test, I had GPS on for around 12 hours and the battery was still at 60%. Even with the always-on display turned on, you can count on roughly 4 days of use. This watch tracks your health all day with a bright sensor and Weofly's own algorithms, monitoring heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep quality, and stress levels. There's even guided breathing to help you relax. Wear it and it feels like you've got a coach right on your wrist. If you're into outdoor workouts, this one's for you. Whether you're running, hiking, or cycling, the watch has you covered. Pair that with an altimeter, barometer, and compass, all on your arm, and you've got a solid tool for exploring trails and tracking your progress. Check out the spin navigation wheel, the rotating crown. It makes scrolling through apps and menus smooth and easy, even with sweaty or wet hands. So navigating the watch is fast and reliable during any activity. Pair it with your phone using the free Weofly Fit app. No extra fees or subscriptions. It syncs your health and fitness stats, lets you customize watch faces, and even connects with Strava for all your workouts. In the app, you get over 100 free watch faces, and you can even upload your own photo to make it feel truly personal. Want one face that shows your heart rate and steps, and another just for notifications? You can customize each one exactly how you like. So that's the perfect budget GPS and water-resistant smartwatch. Rugged yet refined, with a bright AMOLED display, long battery life, comprehensive health and fitness tracking, accurate GPS, and lots of customization options. If you're looking for a watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle and still look great, you'll definitely want to check this one out. Hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.